Let's start by saying that the E code in air conditioning units can have several main meanings, which we will break down below. For most air conditioning brands, the E code is related to problems with the electronic control board. Specifically, this code commonly indicates issues with the EEPROM memory of the affected module. Many brands use this meaning for the E error, with the most recognized being TCL, Carrier, GRE, Pioneer, among others. However, there are some brands where the E code is associated with problems related to the drainage of water generated by the condensation of moisture from the air. Some of the brands that use this meaning for the E error code include Midea, Lennox, Actronair, York, among others. Now let's study the troubleshooting steps for EEPROM issues that cause the E code. 1. Turn off the unit and disconnect it from the power supply. Wait several minutes before reconnecting it. Reconnect the unit and turn it on. 2. Observe if the E error appears immediately. In many brands, when the problem is specifically in the EEPROM memory, the unit may change the value or number of the error code multiple times. 3. Examine the electronic module where the E code appears. Look for possible visual damage. Locate the controller on the board and the closest integrated circuit with 8 terminals, 4 on each side. 4. There is a possibility that the problem is related to an electrical resistor near the EEPROM memory. 5. Perform a detailed measurement of all resistors near the memory. 6. If any resistor does not have a value close to what it should be, it must be carefully replaced. 7. Once the resistor has been changed, try to operate the unit again to see if the E error has disappeared. If the error persists, the problem may be directly related to the EEPROM memory. 8. In case of EEPROM issues, the memory must be replaced with another that has the correct programming or that came from another electronic board of the same model as the one being repaired. The EEPROM is a type of storage memory that allows data to be written, erased, and rewritten electronically. It is used to store information in a non-volatile manner in electronic devices, such as configurations or data that need to be retained even when the power is turned off. Now let's study the troubleshooting steps for water drainage issues that cause the E code. 1. Disconnect the unit from the power for several minutes and check if the error persists. 2. Remove the covers of the indoor unit to access the drain pan and drain pipe. 3. Inspect the indoor unit for signs of excessive moisture, mold, or standing water. 4. Ensure that the indoor unit is properly leveled to allow for adequate drainage. 5. Check the condition of the drain pipe, ensuring it is not kinked or blocked and allows water to flow freely. 6. Clean the drain pan with soapy water and a soft bristle brush to remove dirt and mold. 7. Inspect the drain pipe for blockages. 8. If your unit has a drain pump, ensure it is functioning properly. 9. Listen to see if the pump activates and expels water correctly.